Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Loren again. Today we're going to be going over single oven versus double oven. Is it worth going to the upgrade to the double ovens? So first guys, I have a GE stove in front of us here. First off, let's just open it up and take a look inside. So GE, nice black material on the inside. Now this is a single oven. This guy does have the convection in the back, but a lot of your single ovens do not have the convection. Again, convection is just that fan in the back of the stove that circulates all the hot air. Now in a single oven, the cubic foot inside this varies. This is obviously, it's a bigger capacity than some of the double ovens. So this, with that more space, you have more inconsistent heating. You have dead spots in the oven where you may have, if you have a sheet of cookies in here, you might have some cookies cooking faster than others. So in single ovens, even with a convection fan, you're going to have some space with some uneven heat just because there's so much capacity, so much air in there, and you only have a bake element or a broil element inside. That could be far away depending on what you're cooking. This is a KitchenAid double oven. So looking at this, obviously if we're going to take a look at the capacities on both of these. First, this is a smaller oven. Now, a lot of times for what you're cooking, it's going to fit on one sheet that's able to fit inside this oven. Now it's smaller. This particular oven doesn't have the bake elements exposed down in the bottom. Very cool. But with this, there's such little space that the heating is very consistent. The bake and the heating element is right next to the food that you're cooking, so there's little room for error. There's little room for those fluctuations or dead spots of air to kind of live. So double oven, if the majority of stuff that you cook is on sheets, it's going to be great for you. Without twice, 3 times a year, if you want to cook that big bird, most of your double ovens, you're going to have a big capacity oven still. Now it looks like it's a little bit smaller than that, and it is smaller cubic foot than a single oven, but the majority of turkey and a lot of things you can fit, they're designed with these rolling racks that are heavy turkeys. And again, once or twice a year, you're probably going to use this for a turkey. So once a year you have this for your turkey, but the rest of the year you have this for 95% of what you cook. It's going to cook on one sheet. So big proponent of double ovens. I do recommend them. A little bit of a price jump to go up to them, but I highly recommend going to double oven, especially if you're a big baker. But thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you next week.